Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Dispenser Towel Conversi on Kit Roll Towel for Bobrick Part #3974-180. The Dispenser Towel Conversion Kit Roll Towel for Bobrick Part #3974-180 is a product designed to provide a convenient and hygienic way to dispense paper towels. This product is made of durable plastic and comes with a conversion kit that allows it to be used with either standard or jumbo roll towels. The dispenser has an adjustable tension control knob that allows you to adjust the amount of paper towel dispensed. It also features a large viewing window so you can easily monitor the amount of paper towel remaining in the dispenser. The unit is easy to. This part fixes the following symptoms. This product is designed to provide a convenient and hygienic way to dispense paper towels in public restrooms. It can help reduce the spread of germs and bacteria, as well as improve the overall cleanliness of the restroom. Additionally, it can help reduce waste by providing a more efficient way to dispense paper towels. Here is how you install this part. 1. Read the installation instructions that come with the Bobrick Part #3974-180. 2. Make sure you have all the necessary tools and materials for installation. 3. Locate a suitable location for the dispenser, making sure it is level and secure. 4. Mark the mounting holes on the wall or surface where you will be installing the dispenser. 5. Drill pilot holes in the marked locations and insert wall anchors if needed. 6. Secure the dispenser to the wall or surface using screws and washers provided with your kit. 7. Load a roll of towel into the disp. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.